to happen. Now, EL sitting on his international on a 1466. Put him on the #1 spot last weekend in Rockville, and see if he can capture that win out here tonight at the Southern Showdown. It's Harlow on the Harlow Harvester. I do believe we got to tighten it up.
10,000-pound Pro Farm tractors are going to drop in a 540 cubic inch engine. Next, we're going to throw in an injection pump. Then they're going to drop in a turbocharger. Then they're going to drop in an intercooler and water injection. These guys are going to put 80 pounds of ice in there. They're going to make 10 to 1400 horsepower. And they're going to pound the ground all the way down the track.
Adam Ritchie on the Blue Bayou on the Ford out of Harrisonburg. Now they reset the sled. Getting all the switches turned on, getting the water circulating through the intercooler, bringing up the RPMs. A little bit greasy, not a little bit light. We normally have it where it kind of fills it all in. It's kind of actually messing around with a little bit of clunch, but it's got a low bottom right here before you get to the 250 mark, and then it kind of picks uphill. That's where that sled is dropping, putting all that weight on the pan to stop the pulling vehicles. At the end of the show tonight, you're going to see, you get out here, you'll see a big divot where that pan is hitting and it's pulling the dirt. $305.99 for Randy taking the Wampus cap. Out on the track, ladies and gentlemen, currently #1 in points for 29. Watch him now, he's going to point where he needs to go.
Call me in the morning, I'll put a straight line down there for you. He'll be your new leader in the class at 320.99. The mark to beat now is 320.99. Chad Nesselrodt on the recap this out of Harrisonburg on an international, right now hooking up to the Pioneer sled. Stuck on an exit door. 321. do that for? About the sheet metal that's on this tractor. This thing dates all the way back to 1983 when Thurman started running what they call the stock block and then went into the super stock as of the Virginia tractor pullers based out of Wakefield. But Thurman is out of Zuni, Virginia. I can tell you what happened. He did not have it in the right gear. This is 3:22:40. So he'll be in your number one spot now. Now these tractors run about 80 pounds of ice. They'll put it in the cooler box to cool that water that's going through the intercooler, that air's going through. They'll run through that. When the puller comes back, they go back in the pack, and hopefully they brought more ice with them. Yes, we do. They just kept going further and further. 327.79 for E.L. Harlow's Harlow Harvester. He'll be your winner in the class. E.L. Harlow on the Harlow Harvester on the number one spot. And that'll put Thurman Munford on the Mechanical Bull on the number 2 spot. Chad Nesselrodt on the recap this number 3. Billy Rice on the lights out number 4.
Out there, like, came out with a good run on the first one. Congratulations, DL. But I tell you, you had a good run, and I know that's a little bit over the crown. Wait a minute. We got to bring that. It felt really good, though. It did. It looked good. But it did break it back and come back and come to the look. And a lot of people don't understand. You're not running anymore, are you?
No water. That's why it was pulled out on the track. Didn't really want to ride it for a while.
They're not running any kind of water for us. Pulling the engine, taking it all out, and got sealed in one.
We got the one gone, lock on,
We got everything. Oh, you need to be like
and freeze blood on right.
So you just got like a little air blowing through that. But I can tell you, it's a little bit harder in burning the ice, and you got to get that back out here tonight. Out here tonight, coming back, and everybody started watching what was going on. Did you make any changes to your tractor?
No, whatsoever.
No.
The first pull.
No weight change, no nothing, no gear change, everything stays same. You said, well, Randy did it one time, just do it again.
Seems to do it again. The way it started off on squirrely, I didn't know how it was going to wind up on the It did its job.
It did okay. Out here tonight, finishing up your number one spot in the 10,000 single platform. E.L. Harlow out of Orange, Virginia. On the Harlow Harvester.
I want to thank the good Lord first and foremost, and my wonderful family and friends that have helped me throughout something I wanted to do.
Well, this shows when you look at this champion of the year. Billy, you had a good run this year. Congratulations on your point championship, Bill. I know y'all been a long time trying to get this thing working and everything. I know you had a little bit of trouble at the beginning of the year. Then you came back up again and kind of fell off a little bit. But out here tonight, we were struggling with counting up the points. You're about 10 points-ish about when you're going to be able to finish. When you finished up in the spot where you're just a little bit ahead of Chad, the amount of tractors that you had, it all worked out here for you. Like, tell us a little bit about your tractor and who's helped you out in this process.
Thank you, John. I'd like to thank Spalding Equipment, R.B. Tucker Auction and Realty, sponsors coming on this year. All the glory does go to God. My dad puts in a whole lot of work in his tractor. I'm just mainly the driver, but he does all the wrench turning. We also have a couple people over here that helped us along the way. But we've had a good season. We had good luck in the hot farm in the earlier years. Battled for I think 4 or 5 years in this class, and finally we got a championship in this class, and it feels great. It's a good group of pullers in here. I think we've had 6 different winners in this class. I consider it the most competitive class in Dragon Motorsports. I appreciate Temple having us again this year. Look forward to next year. David, y'all want to come on over here?
The tractors that we had in it, the last 7 hooks that these classes have been hooked, there's been only 5 winners. 5 different winners, or 5 different winners out of 7 hooks, and they've done an awesome job. I don't know this, but if you've been around trucking, tractor pulling, there's a gentleman, why are you hiding? Come here, Ross on the wishbone. He used to run a 666 out of International out of North Carolina. Are the boys stealing any of your information on but I will tell